Welcome back, Mr. In this video, we will see how to draw any given 3D model, and we will see how to draw this given model in the Autodesk Fusion. So we will see how it is drawn by Sujit. So he will explain it to us as well as to his friends. So let's start on. So first you have to choose which plane you want to start with, and you are starting. So you can explain as you proceed.
Then we select the sketch option.
Okay.
We select the line tool.
Okay.
Then we draw the bottom line 66 meters.
That is this one. Yeah.
Then top drawing.
So you made this.
Then finish sketch.
So you just have to clean it off. Clean the rest of the So we're drawing this portion. We made a square and then drawing the diagonal to find out this portion. So the opposite of extruding is cutting. So you mark this portion. So you have to extrude it to this part. So we will cut it off. Finally, we made the shape that was given to you. Okay, so What are the commands that you use so far?
First,
And what is the purpose of this command?
first we use line to sketch this concept.
You find out which plane you want to draw and you choose which, so you use line to draw individual shapes and structures, yes.
Then we use extrude command to create the model.
So under sketch you use line, circle, and so these are some of the options to draw. And then what was the option you choose?
Then we use cut option to cut these parts.
So he used line, circle, and then to trim off if there is any portion that is extended. So you can trim off the excess portion. So it is like, say for example, if you draw a square and if the lines are not meeting exactly, you can remove the excess parts by using the command trim. So once you are done with the sketch part, you can go get to the three-dimensional parts. So in 3D, what it was initially you chose extrude and extruded this L-shaped portion and made it as a L section. Then what did you do in this part?
We use circle to sketch in middle, and then we use trim option to cut it off, and then we use extrude to create a 3D model.
So he made the semicircle, the circle shaped portion. And then what he did was, here it was a full section, and here he made, so here he made square, sort of a square, and then he made a diagonal. So the portion that is outside the diagonal was erased off, and then this portion was taken to trim this. So he extruded it on the other side, so to make it cut. Finally, once he has done with these two, he drew this as a full extended, full wall-like structure. Once it was done, he made this line, and then the rest of portion was cut out. Okay. So what are the commands that you remember? Nikhil? What are the commands that you remember from this explanation? So he used extrude, right? Extrude. The extrude option was also used to cut, right? And then we saw in solids when you started the sketching portion. What are the commands that you used?
Use extrude to make a 3D model.
Okay, so once you're done with the sketch, use extrude to make it as a 3D model, and then you can also use extrude option to cut. If you cut it, if you set it in the opposite direction.